The Nothing Phone 3 is one of the most anticipated smartphones of 2025, building on the innovative and disruptive design ethos of its predecessors. Nothing, the London-based tech company founded by Carl Pei, has gained recognition for its unique approach to smartphone design, particularly its transparent aesthetic and the glyph interface, a series of LED light patterns on the phone's back that provide functional notifications and visual appeal. The Phone 3 is expected to refine this concept further, possibly integrating even more advanced customization options for users who value personalization. Early benchmarks hint at a powerful Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and Android 15, promising smooth performance and a cutting-edge software experience. There is speculation that the Nothing Phone 3 might debut in multiple variants, such as Pro and Plus models, catering to diverse needs and budgets within the competitive smartphone market. This move reflects Nothing's ambition to expand its user base and offer more tailored experiences, a strategy that aligns with its broader growth trajectory. Rumors also suggest improvements in camera technology, battery efficiency, and software features, signaling that the Phone 3 will aim to compete directly with established brands like Apple, Samsung, and Google. With its bold design philosophy, a growing ecosystem of complementary products, and a focus on innovation, the Nothing Phone 3 is poised to capture the attention of tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike, further solidifying the brand's position as a trailblazer in the mobile tech industry.